How does hair growth serum work for best results? Hair growth serum, not just a beauty trend, but an advanced formulation device to offer your hair some remarkable benefits. Hair serums have made an impression in a very little time and have become the lead actor for hair care. Initially known for offering better manageable hair, the hair growth serums formulated with active ingredients improving hair health have stepped their game upward. Hair growth serums not only provides benefits like silky, smooth, long and luscious hair, but also tackle problems like thinning hair and reduced hair density. Therefore, a huge number of individuals have adopted serums as hair regrowth treatment. So without wasting any time, let's take a closer look at the hair regrowth serums. What is hair growth serum? It is a liquid formulation made to improve hair manageability, form a protective layer over hair strands and improve the smoothness of hair. The best thing is hair serum promotes hair growth. The active ingredients in them helps to control hair loss and take care of new hair follicles. Therefore it is known as hair restore and hair growth serum and work to improve the overall health of hair. You know, best hair growth serum revitalizes your damaged hair. As these hair serums are formulated with oils and extracts to work well for hair revitalization. Such ingredients promote hair conditioning, repair dead skin cells, improve hair texture, hair smoothness, and blood flow to the scalp. Not only this, but hair serums also make a protective sheath to protect against styling tools, lock the moisture into the hair and make a way to get healthy hair. Wonder what these ingredients are? These are vitamins such as vitamin B5, vitamin B3, aloe vera, wheat germ, fatty acids like lecithin, hydrolyzed lupine protein, and grapeseed oil. Do you know, hair regrowth serum reactivates hair follicles because of the innovative formulae in serums. It helps to grow hair faster. Wanted to know about the ingredients? What are the ingredients in hair regrowth serums which help to restore hair? These ingredients are the mixture of biotin, phytoextracts, essential oils and other bioactive like nasturtium officinale extract and tropaiolum juice extract, coconut oil, Ocimum basilicum hairy root culture extract, Camellia sinensis leaf extract, sunflower seed oil, zinc, vitamins and amino acids. These render progressive changes and improve hair length in a very short time. But how these ingredients improves the length of your hair? As you know, zinc aids to improve the formation of keratin protein inside the body, which helps to increase the tensile strength, reshape hair, improves its diameter and smoothens hair surface. It is evident from the scientific studies that keratin molecules help to fill the gap between the hair, form a cohesive film and thereby improve the mechanical strength of the hair. Simulates hair follicles and helps reactivate hair growth. A hair follicle is a highly regenerative system having numerous stem cells, which goes through cyclic changes for continual regeneration of hair. Thereby, its stimulation helps in a significant improvement in hair regrowth. Promotes keratinocyte differentiation and reinforces hair from the roots, consequently prolongs the hair regrowth. These changes together make hair longer, healthier and shinier, and that is why hair growth serum makes hair fuller, thicker and provides volume. Anti-hair fall serum helps to prolong the anagen phase. Once the hair growth cycle works properly, the hair loss itself starts reducing. Furthermore, hair growth serum also helps to diminish hair fall by establishing the following changes. It stimulates hair growth by prolonging anagen phase, growth phase of hair cycle. Exhilarating dermal papilla cells, cells that make a utile niche for stem cells to shape and regenerate hair follicles, induce hair growth and prevent hair loss. It also helps to hinder the activity of 5-alpha reductase, an enzyme if present in a higher amount leads to hair loss. So, the best hair serum for hair growth suits every hair type and is incorporated with the benefits of rejuvenating and revitalizing damaged and dry hair along with hair fall prevention. People also ask, which is the best hair growth serum in India? The serum which contains the above-mentioned ingredients can work best to keep hair healthy along with polished hair. One of the best hair growth serum for men and women is Trico Edge Advanced Hair Serum. This hair follicle growth serum is enriched with the goodness of gentle and highest quality ingredients, phytoextracts and bioactives that make it suitable for all hair types, and for both men and women. The astonishing properties of ingredients present in this hair growth serum are best to make hair strong, glossy, lustrous and robust. Key features of Trico Edge Advanced Hair Serum for hair growth and thickness. 1. Aid in hair follicle rejuvenation and nourishment of the scalp. 2. Offers non-oily feel. 3. Increases hair manageability. 4. Increases hair manageability. 5. Instantly removes frizz. 6. Free from parabens and sulfates. 7. Rich in hair superfoods, biotin, vitamins, amino acids and zinc. The product is dermatologically tested and all the phytoextracts and bioactives are clinically proven and safe to use. Use this lavishing serum and go out with a bang, and more importantly, make sure you are applying the serum in the right way. What is the right way to get maximum out of your best hair serum? The whole application of hair serum involves a total of 4 steps. Step 1. Take 2 to 6 drops of Trico Edge Advanced Hair Growth Serum on your palm. Step 2. Initiating from the affected area, start applying it with your fingertips. Step 3. Afterwards, massage in a circular motion, let it completely absorb into the scalp. Step 4. For best results, use this serum after washing hair with Trico Edge Hair Revitalizing Shampoo. So, get extraordinary benefits for your hair with this 100% satisfied product. Make it a routine and cherish the beautiful hair. This is all about hair growth serum. I hope you like this video. Experience healthy skin and hair. Derma Essentia.